everybody, so I got a new grow light from GLOWRIUM to share today. This one was sent over for me to try out. They actually sent a couple different lights, but they're going to be separate videos. Now this one is made more for an individual plant, so we do get a user guide. It's going to give you the 3 different modes of lighting that this one will do. There is a little clamp that you can clamp to the side of, let's say, like a little shelf, something like that. Or you can stick this straight into the soil. It's also telescopic, so it'll actually fit a pretty good sized plant. Now as for the cord length, it looks like it's actually pretty darn long. Yeah, so I'm actually pretty impressed with the cord length on this one. You could use this on like a very tall shelf. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the little shelf thingy. It's got a little hole right here at the top that all you got to do is just slide it right in and it's ready. Alright, so once we plug it in, we do have a blue light. Let me give you a close-up of things and I'll show you how it works. Alright, so this will go pretty tall for a plant. Let's go ahead and bring it back down some. So we have a pretty easy control. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We have a timer for a 3-hour, 9 hours, or 12-hour duration. You can also change the lighting mode. As it said, there was 3 different light modes. And you could also dim it down or brighten it. It does seem to have a pretty decent amount of light. Really easy to move it around. Now this one is the 12-watt model from GLOWRIUM. They do have other watts. They do have a 6-watt. It's a little bit dimmer, of course, and then they do have some brighter ones. But this is great for those that are looking for something for a single pot, and actually this could work for a couple different plants if you have them next to each other. Anyway, this is giving me my quick demo. Hopefully this answers any kind of questions anybody might have, and if you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer them. Thank you for watching.